section. Welcome to another phonics session. Today we're going to be having a look at another set 2 sound, but so far all the sounds we've seen have been 2 letters, 1 sound. Today we have 3 letters, 1 sound. This is another one of our special friends and it's made up of an I, G, H. But when we see them together we must remember they make a new sound. And the sound today is I. Let's try that together. My turn, I. Your turn. I. So when we see these sounds together, we remember the new sound is I. Now I've got a little picture to help us remember the sound. Here is a picture of some children flying their kite high in the sky. The word high has the I sound in. So we say, I fly high. Let's have a go at that together. I fly high. I fly high. I fly high. Well done, give yourselves a round of applause. So we remember our new sound is I. Let's have a go at blending some sounds together to make some words. We're going to start off nice and easy, 2 fret fingers. Off we go. I. High. Well done. The next one is for you to do by yourself. Get 3 fret fingers. 1, 2, 3. Are you ready? I, t. What's the word? Sight. Well done. Another 3 fret fingers. I, t. Fight. Well done. This time we want 4 fret fingers. Ready? I, t. Fright. And the last one, I, t. Bright. Well done everyone. Let's move on to reading some words. All of these words have got a new I sound in. Look out for those special friends. Off we go. I, high. I, t. Sight. I, t. Might. I, t. Light. I, t. Fight. I, t. Bright. Well done. Let's have another look. High. Sight. Might. Light. Fight. Bright. Excellent, well done. Now let's move on to our tricky red words. Now remember, you can't thread a red, you just have to learn it. And the first one is a little bit confusing. It's one we've seen lots of times before. This is the tricky red word, I. Don't confuse it with our new sound, I. This is the word I. This is the sound that we write inside our word. I. The, of, to, go, was, no. They're a little bit tricky, aren't they? Let's have another look. I, the, of, to, go, was, no. Remember to keep practicing those. Practice makes perfect. Now we're going to move on to try and reading some sentences. Now I've got 2 sentences here. They've got some of the sounds that we've been learning over the last few days. Look out for those special friends. Let's sound out the first word. Mom. A, may I play? Says. Mom says. Oh, we've got a tricky red word here. We've seen that before. Here it is. This is our tricky red word, go. Mom says go. Another tricky red word. Let's find it. 2. Mom says go to sleep. Mom says go to sleep. Well done. Our next one has some more special friends and it's got our I sound in one of the words that we've been learning today. Tricky red word. The sheep. The sheep is high. The sheep is high on the hill. The sheep is high on the hill. There's lots of special friends in those sentences today, so give yourselves a round of applause if you've got those sentences correct. Well done. Now we're going to move on to writing some sentences for our last part. So get your pen ready, get your paper ready, or you can have a little go later. The first sentence we're going to say is put on the light. Let's say it together. Put on the light. Put on the light. Put on the light. Put on the light. We have got 4 words in our sentence. Put on the light. Let's write it together. My first word is put. How do we spell the word put? Nice and easy. P. O. T. Put. Put. Remember your finger space. Put on the light. My next word is on. R. Put on the. Tricky red word. How do we spell it? It's a T, a H and a E. Put on the light is our next word. I haven't got space here, so I'm going to go below. 3 fret sounds. I, t, light. I. Oh, it's our new sound. How do you make the I sound? It's an I, a g, and a h. I, t. Put on the light. And don't forget your full stop. Put on the light. Make sure you always read your sentences back to make sure you've spelt your words correctly. And our last sentence has got another I word in. It's about 2 dogs. And the dogs had a fight. Our sentence is, the dogs had a fight. 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 5 words this time. Are we ready? My first word is the. Tricky red word. T and a F. Remember to use your capital letter at the start of your sentence. The. The dogs had a fight. The dogs. D R G dogs at the end. The dogs. Dogs. The dogs had, get my finger space. How do I spell the word had? Off we go. A D. Well done. The dogs had a. The dogs had a fight. Get your 3 thread fingers. Let's have a go at that word fight. Fight. I fly high. A g and a h for our I sound. Fight. And a full stop at the end. The dogs had a fight. The dogs had a fight. Now it's your turn to do some work. So why don't you get some paper and a pencil and have a go at writing some of those I words or maybe some sentences of your own. I look forward to seeing them, everyone. Bye-bye.